Wow.
Do something, Josh. I'm taking a video, so. You don't have to sacrifice yourself for the video.
It's all for good karma. Power puller in. Get in there. Can't. No.
Well, this is going to be an exciting video.
Got it. See, that's why he should be going for a championship at Super Mario Bros. 2.
Good job.
Got a picture of that?
I'm taking a video, actually.
Oh, awesome.
Even better.
Does it got sound?
Absolutely.
You're lying to me?
No?
Alright, awesome. If you're lying to me, I'd have to kill Mike.
Bummer.
And by what I mean by killing Mike, I mean he would disappear. I would not know anything. Okay. I'll find it. This is about the time we find out we're far away.
Not very much.
Not very much yourself.
Yeah, that's pretty bad, I would imagine.
Tony, your comments.
Oh God.